Well, let's start this off right.
Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Coop Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz. And tonight we are going to be joined by my lovely wife, Kayla. She's over there, which you can't see because she's sitting down doing something. Anyway, she's going to help us tonight cook our Hellofresh meal. That's right. I know if you've seen my video from Wednesday, we did a Hellofresh meal Wednesday, and today we're doing another Hellofresh for Saturday because I just don't have a whole lot of time right now. So this is what you're getting because I haven't been able to really go outside and do it a whole lot. So anyway, we're going to get to cooking this. Tonight we are doing the chicken and bacon filled ravioli with mushroom. Did I say that right? Chicken and bacon filled ravioli with mushroom. Yeah, okay, I said that right. And it looks pretty good. We're going to try it out. I'm not a huge mushroom fan. My wife's not a big tomato fan. I don't really care for tomatoes that much, but I'll eat them in food. So we're going to figure out how to make this work for us. So anyway, let's get to cooking this. I did want to tell you guys, if you did watch my last Wednesday video, I had some issues with my audio, so the video didn't really turn out that great, but it was just a video. Also, I had a issue with the Brussels sprouts. I did burn those. That was my fault, all my fault. I burnt the Brussels sprouts. However, they were still mighty tasty. I actually quite enjoyed those, so I'll have to try and make some more Brussels sprouts in the future. But anyway, let's get back to cooking. Let's get to cooking, and I'll bring my wife in, and let's get started. Okay, first step.
Wash and dry.
Boil the water. Wash and what?
Wash and dry produce.
Wash and dry the produce. I washed and dried the produce already. Except for those. Are you supposed to wash and dry those?
Yes.
Yeah?
Still produce.
Yeah? Oh, alright, well, we're going to wash and dry those. Alright, what we got now?
Now we have to make the sauce.
Make the sauce. How do we make the sauce?
Large drizzle of olive oil.
She doesn't like this. Large drizzle of olive oil. Okay, we got olive oil. Hold on. Bro, for real. Okay, large drizzle of olive oil. Large drizzle. A drizzle. Exactly how much is it drizzle? Are you gonna pour that in?
This is a long pour.
A long pour? Oh, look at the skills. Is that the drizzle? Oh, that's a large drizzle.
It said large drizzle.
It's a large drizzle.
Large drizzle?
Then what? What are we gonna do after the large drizzle?
Heat it.
Heat it? We heat the large drizzle. Well, this is gonna be the most boring video I've ever made. I'm out. Alright. Throw the mushrooms in. Okay, throwing the mushrooms in the large drizzle.
You're not gonna ask for my help again, are you?
I don't know. The large drizzle. It's been rough already.
Grab favorite spatula.
Favorite spatula. Read instructions.
I mean, I know how I would do it, but that's not necessarily what the card says.
Look, the way they explain things is a little different, I gotta admit. Because I would have just called that an onion. They call it a shallot.
Well, I think a shallot is a type of onion.
Oh, is that what it is? Yeah. Okay, I just called it an onion.
It's just like it was smaller.
What's those other things? The scallions? Isn't that just an onion?
It's a type of onion.
Just a type of onion? I mean, a scallion? Okay, yeah. Whatever. Look at me. I'm learning something today.
You might be
Listen, if it ain't got barbecue written on it, I'm a little out of the loop.
You might be a griller, but I don't think you're a kitchen cook.
I am not. I am not a kitchen chef cook. I'm learning new things now because I want to expand my horizons. The eye roll.
So lesson number 1, drain your hamburger.
No. You gotta have the grease in there. It makes it better.
No, you drain the hamburger.
No, you gotta have the grease in there. It makes it better.
You drain the hamburger.
No, you gotta have grease in there. So I had to ask, what are you drinking?
Wine.
Wine? Oh. Yeah, me too.
I turned my water into wine. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our plastic cup.
Mm-mm.
Is it glass?
Mine's glass.
Oh, mine is aluminum.
You gotta have real glass. Real glass for real whiskey.
How much have you had?
None of your business. Okay. Next step, we got the onion, or the, let's try this again. All right.
The onion.
The onion. As most people would know as mushrooms. Those are mushrooms. They're not onions.
Onions over there.
You want those? Mm-hmm. You want the onions? Okay, so we gotta put the onions in. What's this one? Mm-hmm. You want to dump it in? I'm here to help, not just film and be a dummy.
Okay, well, whenever
you're gonna need to help me now.
Whenever you want me to finish it, you just let me know.
I'm gonna need you to finish this because it wasn't working out for me. All right, so I'm gonna take this moment to remind you that to go check out my social medias. Follow me. My dog is barking at nothing, by the way. He is literally barking at a leaf, I'm pretty sure. So go follow me on the social medias, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at NewbieQ2020. And if my dog stops barking, and follow me on TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. Okay, now back to the live action. What are we done? Opening the seasoning. We have these things, right? That thing over there called scissors. Or you can use your mouth. That's gross. Okay, cool. Okay, dump it in.
It's not fully open.
Listen, you are taking so long to open this up. It's gonna take forever. Forever.
Opening. Should I salt bay it?
Salt Bay. Salt Bay. Oh yeah. Salt Bay. Yeah. Salt Bay ain't got nothing on. Oh god, he made a mess. Okay. Oh man, seasoning's everywhere now.
It's not.
Got off my nose.
Okay.
All right, what's the next step?
Butter.
Butter.
Yeah.
You got the butter?
We need butter.
We need butter. We're gonna add some butter. Some butter.
2 tablespoons.
I like how you just like do that, and I'm like, oh, 2 tablespoons. I take a tablespoon thing and I dip it out.
No one measures butter.
She's a professional chef, by the way.
Don't say that. They might think that's true.
She's not. No.
I mean, I am.
No, you're not.
But.
No.
You measure butter with your heart.
I like that. You measure butter with your heart. We're going to put that on a shirt. NewbieQ. You measure butter with your heart.
True. Anyone who cooks knows that.
I'm a classically trained internet chef.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm a mom.
Doesn't count.
Got more experience than you ever will.
You have experience cooking macaroni.
And ravioli.
And you like your steaks burnt, so that doesn't count at all.
Well done is not burnt.
It's burnt.
I mean, actually, I do like my steak burnt. Technically. I like the char.
God. You just want to drive that knife right into me, don't you?
I'm going to add the ravioli.
Gonna add the ravioli.
So they have some time to cook.
It's extra cold ravioli.
supposed to take about 3 to 4 minutes.
It's gonna take about 8. I feel like.
Ravioli. Down hatch.
There we go, ravioli. Putting the ravioli in. Down the hatch. Ooh. Add in the sour cream, the cream of the sour. This is the sour part of the cow, if you guys didn't know. Yeah. The sour part of the cow. So what happens is when you don't milk a cow fast enough, you get this. Because the cow's milk gets sour. Right?
I don't think that's how it works.
Oh. I mean, I've never been around cows. I don't know. Do you know?
Mm-mm.
That's a joke, by the way. Internet, don't grill me on cow etiquette. I know how things work. Trust me.
Including the internet.
I know how the internet works. I know how the internet's going to say, that's not how a cow works. That doesn't work that way. You don't know what you're talking about. You're dumb. Why are we going to talk about cows like that? Well, because it's a joke. Sprinkling in the Parmesan. I've put up with enough of her antics tonight. Let's just add a little more. Get that a little stronger. What the heck? What is that?
Butter.
You didn't even wait for me to turn the camera on.
I told you.
Oh my god. You're never going to be a YouTuber.
Butter.
Butter. Gotta add butter to everything.
Hey, adding...
Measure butter with love? Wait,
Yeah.
what was it? Yeah.
It was butter measured with love.
Butter measured by your heart. What?
Yes.
What are you using?
Okay, 1/3 cup of pasta water.
Why are we saving it? Are you saving it? Oh, you put it in here. That's weird.
Here you are.
Okay. Whatever.
Stir until slightly thickened.
Stir until slightly thickened. Okay, butter, melt butter. Alright, we're shaking the ravioli. Shake the ravioli. Shake the ravioli. Okay, putting the ravioli in the goop.
In the goop, aka sauce.
AKA the goop sauce. And then we're gonna stir it.
Mm-hmm.
Stir it all around. Stir it on up. Stir it on down. Alright. It's done. Done?
Done.
Done. Done? Alright, so now we're gonna put it on a plate, make it look pretty. We're gonna take a picture of it and we'll be right back with you. Alright folks at home, there you have it. That is the chicken and bacon filled ravioli with mushroom from Hellofresh. Doesn't that look good? I can't wait to get this sucker in my belly. Alright guys, that is it. We're done. My wife just ran up to get our kids. We gotta pick our kids up and we're gonna eat as soon as she gets back here. So, that's it for me. We'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget to check out my social medias, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at NewBQ2020, TikTok at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. And if you would, leave a comment. Let me know. Have you tried HelloFresh? Have you guys tried any of this stuff? Any of these kind of meal services? What's your favorite meal service? Just let me know in the comments down below. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.